Unlock your creative potential and dive into the world of digital artistry with Higgsfield, your all-in-one platform for video creation and graphic design. First, let's get acquainted with the Higgsfield interface. Upon logging in, you'll see your main dashboard. This central hub gives you access to all the powerful tools Higgsfield offers. To start a new video project, navigate to the Create Video section. Here, you'll find a clean timeline. This is where you'll arrange your clips, images, and audio. Your media library is your digital canvas. Click the Upload button to bring your own videos, photos, and music into the platform. Higgsfield supports a wide range of file formats, making it easy to integrate your existing assets. Adding text and titles, simple. Select the text tool, type your message, and then explore the customization options. You can choose from a variety of fonts, adjust size and color, and even add subtle animations to make your text pop. Beyond video, Higgsfield excels in graphic design. Head over to the Design Graphics area. Here, you'll find intuitive tools to create stunning visuals from scratch. Experiment with shapes, apply vibrant color palettes, and use the layering system to build complex designs. Enhance your projects with visual flair. Browse the extensive library of effects and transitions. Simply drag and drop them onto your video clips or graphics to add dynamic movement and visual interest. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Choose your desired resolution and file format, and Higgsfield will render your masterpiece, ready to share with the world. Higgsfield empowers you to bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Start exploring today and discover the limitless creative possibilities.